you want to get access to the Airtable APIs, the first problem you need to solve is the authorization. So when you are searching on the web, there will be a lot of articles talking you to use the API key. But notice that the API key has been fully deprecated in 2024 February. So the right approach you should use is the access token. So in this video, we are going to let you fully understand it in 3 minutes. The first topic is how to create the access tokens. So to create it, we need to firstly go to the Airtable Developer Hub. The website is here. So here I have opened the web page. So to create the access token, we just click the Create New Token buttons. The first option here is we can assign a name to the tokens. So for example, we can input here personal. And the next option is scopes. The scopes would mean that how many permissions we want to assign to these access tokens. So the most common one would be, for example, if we want to use Airtable API to read and write your data records in our tables, so you should choose data records read and data records write. But there's actually more Airtable API you can use, so there have corresponding permissions you can choose per your needs. So after finishing the scope, we have got assigned which permission does this token have, and the next option we need to configure is the access. So this means that which base does this access token can perform action on. If you want to be convenient, you can choose all current and future bases. This will mean that this access token will be able to perform the actions on all of your table bases. But if you want to more fine-grained access controls, you can actually choose only one of the bases that you wanted. So here we choose all. And then we can click Create Tokens, and it will generating a text strings that this is your personal access tokens. So you need to be careful and never sharing it with any people else, because once they have these tokens, they will directly have access to all of your data in the Airtable. So be careful, don't share it with everyone. So now we have got the Airtable token created. With access token created, we now have access to the Airtable API, which means that we can control the data in our entire table bases. So there are two common usage of using the Airtable APIs. The first usage is that you can use it in your iOS shortcuts so that you can save web page. Here is a quick demonstration. You can see that with the access token being configured on the shortcuts, we're just using the share menu and we can directly save this web page into the Airtables. And it also applies to the photo and files. And same with access tokens. Selecting a photo and use share menu, then via the iOS shortcuts, the photo and the file will both be successfully saved into your base. If you are interested in these shortcuts, visiting the Airtable shortcuts library to get them. There are over 10 comprehensive shortcuts in the library, which will significantly enhance your productivity. The last short topic is how to use the access tokens. So every time when you are making HTTP network call to the Airtable APIs, make sure that the access token was in the authorization headers, which means that you would need to paste the bearer tokens in it. So that's it.